it showed the lovely hug between Sheikh Bilal and Sheikh Omar Sulaiman, and I was in the background. Did you guys see it? And we were sitting there, someone offered me a bit of pizza, a small pizza this size, and I just took a bite, and I saw Sheikh Omar Sulaiman, and by the way, I was the first one to give him a nice big hug, right? It's true. When I saw that video, guess what happened? The person who sent it to me was my wife. She says, read the comments. So I see the comments, everyone saying, what's Mufti Menk doing there? He's munching, he's eating, he's so short, he's this. May Allah forgive us.
With Mufti Menk backstage when I hugged Sheikh Omar, I had already hugged Mufti Menk. Some people, they said, oh, what about Mufti Menk? Oh, I hugged him about 1,000 times, until it got a little bit funny afterwards. So I had to take a step back. And someone said, Mufti Menk looks like the little brother who your mum said, if you don't take him with you, you can't go.
That's actually a comment. You're right. It's actually,
was a comment.
Some people come up with the weirdest comments. If you don't mind, Sheikh Omar and Sheikh Bilal, can we stand up to show who's tall and who's not? Yalla, let's stand up. Bismillah. Just a second, if you don't mind, Sheikh. You see, I'm not that bad, am I? You see, I'm about 5'8", I think. So these guys, he's from Australia, America, genetically modified foods. I come from Africa. We eat natural food. We remain a little bit shorter, but inshallah good.